Welcome back to San Antonio Living. Now, if it's raining this weekend, don't worry about it. Our grillin' gal, Kathy Pullin, has tips for us to bring the steak inside and get that tasty, juicy steak just like you would on the outdoor grill. Kathy, how are you doing?
I'm good. You look very beautiful today. I love it. Purple's good on you.
Thank you. Anytime you're here, we always love it because not only do we love you and your energy, but we love your food too.
Well,
so,
thank you.
Let's get started with this juicy looking steak.
Well, as you know, we were supposed to be outside cooking. Your husband was going to join me. We were going to do a pit barrel versus Weber challenge. And
we'll put that one on hold.
Yeah.
We'll come back to that one.
Mother Nature has not been very kind to Texas lately. So today what we're doing is we're here to promote a friend of mine's cook-off, and I'm sure the banner will be up there lately, and a steak, okay? Now, a competition steak like this bad boy, I would trim this piece off right here.
Okay.
Okay? Just like that. And then, because the steak is already separating, this is called the spinalis. This is very important. You want to keep that together. So I would take butcher's twine and tie the heck out of this, okay? Now, we're going to go ahead and...
this little tool you got
this
there.
tenderizer, we're going to hit both sides. I really probably don't need it as... Now, when you do competition, you get 1 inch and 1/8 thick choice ribeye. Okay? So this is not quite that. It's about 3/4.
Okay.
Hand me a little bit of it. We're going to just drizzle a little bit of this on. And I do mean a little because Worcestershire sauce goes a long way. Okay, we're going to hit both sides.
Smells good.
I forgot my butcher's twine, guys. Sorry about that.
No, that's all right.
All right, now this grilling oil, butcher flavored butter. I'll go ahead and let you drizzle it since I'm already messy.
Just kind of drizzle.
Yeah, okay.
This is a grilling oil butter flavor.
Okay, now we're going to do the other side.
Let's see
This is great because it doesn't need refrigeration.
Okay.
And it's an awesome product. All right, SPG. And then my black magic. A very, very light coat. Very light, light,
too much. I'm sorry. I'm a beginner, Kathy.
That's right.
I'm not entering any steak-offs yet.
Black magic a little heavier.
A little heavier.
Yeah.
We want that black.
There we go.
Black magic.
All right.
There we go.
Now we're going to flip it.
Same thing?
Same thing. Very. Well, let's not do that since we got a pretty heavy coat on that side.
Since I got excited.
All right,
we'll
there
put
we
some
go.
Black magic.
Perfect.
There we go.
Now that will sit for 2 hours.
Okay.
Okay.
And just like that.
Just like that.
Let
Come
it
to room
sit.
temperature.
Okay.
Okay. Then, what we did and how I cooked these is I took and brought my outdoor tools inside. My grill grates, right here. I opened up your oven. I put it on convect.
Okay.
Hottest temp, 550.
Okay.
These are in 3 pieces, so you put whatever you need in here.
You can just put it straight in the oven.
Right in there.
That's a good trick.
And then I took and found this throwaway disposable little full pan to catch the grease.
I love that.
Directly underneath.
It's perfect.
Heated it up with the oven. So my grill, like an outside grill, would be as hot as it would be. Because if normally in a home you heat up a cold pan, you know, put it in there, it's cold. No, now my grill grates are 550 degrees, the same temp as the oven, which produces the great grill marks, which we'll show in a minute.
Okay. While you're cutting up these potatoes, let's talk about that steak-off, the competition that's going on. Tell us a little more about it. What do we need to know about it? How can we get out there and have some fun?
It is October 13th at Lockhart City Park, Hill Country Barbecue. Richard, a good friend of mine, is promoting it. It's our regular barbecue cook-off, but we've added a steak challenge and a kids' Q challenge. So there's lots to do.
Yeah.
And we need judges. We need an abundance of about 300 to 400 judges.
Okay.
So the information's up there. If you want to be involved, get involved. As you can see, $25,000 in awards. I will be there catering for the VIP section.
Great.
Plus, I will be competing in steak.
Fun.
So
I like it.
So then
that looks like a lot of fun.
A great side dish is potatoes.
Absolutely.
I love these little baby potatoes.
Yeah.
Now these,
That's
no,
purple.
that is not bad. That is very rich and full of antioxidants.
Ooh, I like that. It's pretty too.
Yes. So all I did with these is I sliced them in half, put them in some hot oil with some salt, pepper, and a little bit of black magic. Okay.
And I can't let you go without talking about this because this is homemade herb butter.
Yes.
Oh, come on.
What
that
I
looks
do is I just take regular butter, chop up some chives, basil, and some seasoning.
Kathy, why were you hiding that? You busted out this huge platter of steak and potatoes?
Yes, ma'am. Now look at those grill marks.
Oh my gosh.
Now the butter hasn't melted because I forgot and just put it on when it was cold.
No, that's fine.
But you can see how beautifully those grill marks came out, just as if you were cooking outside.
That's right. It really does look like it's straight from the grill.
Yes.
Whether hot or cold, I'm going to eat this steak, so just to let you know, okay?
They're still warm. The butter was just really cold. I didn't let the butter come to room temperature.
Delicious. Kathy, thank you so much and for giving us all this information, some tricks to bring your barbecue inside this weekend. Kathy's with Pullin Premier Barbecue. It's Texas-style catering. You can visit her website, pullinpremierbbq.com, and call that number on your screen if you have any questions for her.